Hello, and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. I'm coming to you today from our brand new office at 1414 Beaver Dam Road in beautiful Point Pleasant. We've been working hard for the last 2 months to get it ready and move in, and here we are. I appreciate your patience. Today we're going to be talking about the current administration, what's been done over the last year or two, or what hasn't been done. We'll also discuss our featured Provider of the Month, Stiso Chiropractic. And of course we'll pick a new winner for next month. So let's get right to it, and you can check out the new digs at the law offices of Sean T. Hagan. So here are just a few pictures and videos of our new building that we moved in last month. We purchased the building this year, did some minor changes, painting, etc., new flooring, and fortunately got to move in last month. It's been an exciting process and new beginnings for the law offices of Sean Hagan. We can still be contacted at our same telephone numbers and email addresses. Our new address is 1414 Beaver Dam Road in beautiful Point Pleasant, New Jersey, 08742. We can be still reached at 732-722-2911, and you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. So here I am sitting in my new office at the conference table, and it's been exciting, although very daunting and challenging, but exciting nonetheless. We look forward to a long time here in Point Pleasant. I also live in the town, so it's convenient for me, but it's bringing some new exciting possibilities and looking to grow the practice. In terms of this month for the PIP, what I wanted to do is update you what the current administration has been doing for the last 2 years. And unfortunately, and I'm not necessarily going to say this with any point of view, but really nothing's been done with PIP lately. Review of the bulletins, proposed orders, proposed regulations, and past regulations. There's been no new bulletins for 2021 as to PIP. I think there was only one bulletin in its entirety, but none as to PIP. As for proposals and or passing of those proposals of regulation, there was only 2 so far proposed in all of 2021. And again, nothing as to PIP, even though under the law that the legislature passed, every 2 years they must pass a new PIP fee schedule under the regulation. The last time they've done it wasn't since 2013, that I think originally was proposed in 2009 or 11. So they're way overdue in not keeping up with the cost of living, particularly with the inflation that's going crazy right now. It clearly costs more to treat a patient today in 2021 than it did in 2013. So again, if there are any new regulations proposed or passed, we'll let you know about it. We're always here if you have any questions for any of your PIP needs, whether it's the law, forms, best practices, etc. We're always here for you. So now I'd like to talk about this month's featured provider, which is Stiso Chiropractic. They're actually not too far from my old office in Manasquan, New Jersey. As you can see from their website, which you can find at drstiso.net, they are located at 1903 Atlantic Avenue, Suite 2 in Manasquan, New Jersey. Their telephone number is 732-528-7746. They can also be contacted online. There's a link that you can contact. They offer chiropractic services, acupuncture, and massage therapy. They do handle PIP cases, and they take most health insurances. There's, I believe, 7 providers treating out of the office. Patients I know who have treated with them has been very happy with both the office setting and the doctors who have treated them, both in terms of their bedside manner and the actual treatment they have gotten. So congratulations, Stiso Chiropractic, and thank you for being part of our program. As most of you are aware, I do this featured provider of the month once a month. And all you need to do is contact me in any way, either by calling me if you have a question, need an answer, emailing me, sending me your files for arbitration, which I can help you collect the PIP arbitrations at no cost to you. So again, any type of communication, anytime during the month, we reach out, we put a ticket in, and then we select each month for the featured provider of the following month. So remember, if you don't win this month, there's always next month, so keep those communications coming and we'll keep filing your demands for arbitration. So the winner for this month is Pleasantdale Ambulatory Care. Congratulations, Pleasantdale. We'll be in touch with you shortly so we can feature you in next month's video. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We thank you for tuning in. Welcome to our new offices. We are planning to have an open house, hopefully the second full week of December. I will be sending out notices to those who I have email and or faxes or addresses to, and invite you to stop by. If you can't make the day we have, you're always welcome to stop by. To be safe, call ahead just so we can confirm somebody's here, because we are working on adjusted schedules, although there's always 2 people in the office, so anytime 9 to 5. Just give us a heads up though. Again, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the links below. As always, we're never too busy for your kind PIP referrals. We thank you, and God bless.